Hello everyone, welcome to Olive Board. I hope all of you are well. Now that the IBACIO Tier 1 examination is over, I'm sure you have started preparing for your Tier 2 examination. First of all, I would like to wish congrats to all of those who have cleared the Tier 1 examination. Now, I would like to highlight that Olive Board has come up with a course called IBACIO Tier 2 Descriptive English Crash Course. So, we'll be giving you assistance for the Tier 2 examination. I'll quickly take you through the features of this course. In this course, we'll be covering the entire descriptive English syllabus. Apart from that, we'll also be giving you live classes and lecture PDFs, and we'll be evaluating the previous year descriptive papers. That is, we will be looking at the questions that have already been asked in the IBACIO descriptive examination. Now, a key feature of this course is that you can get two of your essays evaluated by Olive Board experts. So, we will be giving you feedback on two of the essays that you submit. If you wish to enroll in this course, guys, you can use this code GET20 to get 20% discount on this course. The classes for this course begin on the 12th of April. So, enroll as soon as possible. I repeat, the classes begin on the 12th of April. Now, let us begin our session and let us see what the video has in store for us. In this video, we are going to discuss the most probable topics for essay writing. So, we are going to focus or we are going to list down the most probable topics that can appear in your essay writing question in your IBACIO Tier 2 descriptive examination. So, we will divide the video into two parts. The first part, we will discuss exam specific topics. So, the fact that you are appearing for IB exam, that is an exam for Intelligence Bureau, these topics will be focusing on security issues. So, the four topics that I have listed for you are national security and its components. Topic 2 says threats to national security. Topic 3 says refugees a threat to internal security in India. And finally, topic 4 says social media a boon or a bane for security agencies in India. Discuss. So, if you notice, this fourth topic was the actual topic that was given in IBACIO descriptive examination that was held in the year 2018. So, I want you to research on these topics because these are the most probable topics that can come in your IBACIO descriptive examination. Research on these topics, read well about them, and try to write these essays yourself. Keep in mind the format of the essay and keep in mind the tips and tricks that we have discussed for essay writing. So, these are the four exam specific topics. Now, let us discuss generic topics. What are the few generic topics that are most probable that they will come up in the examination? The first topic here says issues associated with the farmers' protest. So you must keep in mind that you can be asked topics associated with current affairs. So this is just one example. The farmers' protest is just one example. You must keep in mind other current affair topics and then prepare accordingly. The next topic is unemployment in India. So this is a generic topic and you might be asked questions on this topic. The second topic says unemployment in India, discuss how the problem can be tackled in Indian context. So keep in mind that the essay or the topic here is divided into two parts. The first part is unemployment in India. So you will have to describe this situation, the current situation of unemployment in India. And in the second part of the essay, you will have to discuss how the problem can be tackled in Indian context. The third topic here is COVID vaccine distribution challenges. So, this is again related to the current scenario. That is, it can be considered a current affairs topic, but not so because it is a generic topic also. So, there are various challenges related to the distribution of COVID vaccine, which is going on right now. The COVID vaccination drive is on. So, you can be asked topics associated with the pandemic or with the COVID vaccine. Now, the fourth topic here says women empowerment is the need of the hour. Discuss. So, women empowerment is another generic topic where you might be asked questions. So, make sure that you are reading and researching upon these topics. So, the one point that I have highlighted here is that there might be a topic related to the pandemic. So, make sure that you are reading topics that are in line with the pandemic. There can be any topic that can be asked from pandemic. Pandemic is just one umbrella topic. Anything can be asked from this topic. Make sure that you read in very carefully on this topic. So this brings us to the end of the video. Read and research about these topics. Try to write down these essays yourself and make sure that you are practicing taking mock tests. Join the course that begins on 12th of April. 12th of April, we begin our live classes for the IBACIO descriptive crash course. With that, I'll end the video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like the video and share this session with your friends so that they can also benefit. Thank you and have a nice day.